it's Gina with WTI. And if you want to make perfect lacto-fermented vegetables at home, then you know that you need a good set of weights to put inside your jar to make sure you're weighing down that liquid so you get a good ferment. I got this 5-pack from Artcome and it has really been ideal. Now, I'm not going to give you a tutorial on how to make lacto-fermented vegetables, but what I found is having the right tools makes all the difference. So I've tried to do fermentation in the past without these weights, and my vegetables never came out good. I always ended up ruining my batches. But having these weights has made all the difference. Now my vegetables come out exactly the way that they're supposed to. I love that these weights have a little knob on top so that you can grab them with the tongs that come with the kit and pull them out easily from a wide mouth mason jar. I have some of these 10-cup mason jars that I'm fermenting cabbage in, and so I found that I did need to use like 2 or 3 weights for those because they are really wide. But if you're just using like your regular quart or pint size mason jars, you'll just need one of the weights. So don't wait a second longer to lacto ferment your vegetables. Get this kit, you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.